My name is Kiha Lee. I'm the dentist at American Dental Care in Dover. Today we're going to talk about dental implants. Dental implant is so far the best way to replace a missing tooth for patients. The reason being that it has the best longevity and then it gives the natural tooth experience like no other ways of replacement. The implant body itself acts as the root of the tooth, while the customer bottom and the crown goes on top, simulates the clinical crown of the tooth. The tooth stays in there. All you need to do is treat it like a natural tooth, brush and floss, maintain it every single day, and then that implant tooth will be there for long term, for years to come. Dental implant is because the dental implant not only it looks good, it's gonna help you chew very well. Also, it holds the position of the remaining of the teeth. Many patients may not know once you lost one tooth, you think, hey, it's not a big deal. But in reality, all the teeth surrounding that missing space will start to change from day one. Your bone's gonna shrink down. All the teeth will shift into the position towards the missing space, which lead the whole area to become non-functional in a sense. The upper tooth, say, would come down due to the process what we call super eruption, or the adjacent teeth will tilt it into an angle where it could not even bite for you. So when you have a missing tooth, talk to us, let us know. We'll help you get a tooth in there.